Hi everyone, it's Irina and today I'm making gazpacho with my juicer, and this one here is the Extra Press XL. So it's pretty exciting, it's our new product, and the difference between this juicer and our original one is this one has a much larger funnel. Okay, so much larger funnel. So you can put lots and lots of whole fruit and vegetables into it. So that makes the difference. And today we're going to use the actual Extra Press to make the juice. Now the reason why we're using the Extra Press, which is this little red bit in here, is that enables you to juice really soft vegetables and fruit, and so makes it a lot easier. So, and nice and smooth too. So we're just going to pop it in here like that. Turn it around, perfect. And then pop this in here to the side and click it in. So it's very easy. We've turned it on. You don't have to do anything here, automatically goes to food processor. So we lift that out, and the gazpacho is actually in the book that comes with the Extra Press XL. So it's not just for juicing. You can do lots of things with your juicer. So we're going to pop it on, and some tomatoes. Tomato coming down. And I'm just guiding it down. Beautiful. Some red pepper or capsicum. See it coming down beautifully. Some cucumber. A bit more tomatoes. And a bit of garlic. And that's it. It's fantastic. All right. So now we just open that up. I'll just show you something about that in a minute. And I'm going to just add a bit of seasoning into that now. Just a bit of seasoning, like that. A little bit of olive oil. Now this is really good for the digestion and obviously very healthy for you. And then I'm just going to give it a bit of a swirl in there. Lovely. Bit of a swirl. And just pour it into my glass. Perfect. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. And I'm just going to put a bit of basil out of my garden into it. So that is just amazing. Now you can do that and pop it in the fridge for about 2 or 3 hours and let those flavours actually come together, and that's even nicer. Okay, but I'm going to drink it just the way it is. But yes, that's another way to do it. Now, to clean it, it's really very simple. Just lift that up and you pop that under, just wash it under the tap very easily. And this here, you just take that little top out like that. With your spatula, it fits perfectly, that's small, and just actually lifts all that pulp out beautifully. So it just fits perfectly for that, and it just lifts it all out. And the pulp is really, really dry. Now the Extra Press makes your juices really smooth, like your coulis and things like that. It just makes it really smooth. So it leaves all the seeds and everything here. It's just fantastic. And then once you've taken all of that out, just use a soft brush when you're washing it under the tap, and do that straight away after you've used it so that it doesn't dry, and you'll never have a problem with your juicer. They're fantastic. They do such a really good job. Very easy to care for. And just another thing, you don't need to have lots of different appliances. The Cook Expert has got attachments that are just fantastic. So here it is, my beautiful gazpacho. Oh, so nice. Beautiful. Okay, enjoy using your Cook Expert and all of its attachments. See you later. Bye.